how do you personally balance the demands for you to be an enterprise leader and your passion, I would guess, as the leader of a creative organization?
I think you have to create space for both, and it's really about integration. One of the things that I think that CMOs have a great opportunity to do is to extend their own value and their own purview beyond just marketing. What is a great creative idea that could influence the business or influence your products, bringing in those insights to be able to bring that to life. So I think it's about really integrating those things together and not over anchoring to one or the other, but the real magic is in how you bring together those disciplines for your brand in the context of both business and creativity.